Here is a pumpkin. Wow, the first weapon of choice he chooses is a knife. Wow, I've never seen a person hammering a knife inside a vegetable. All that hard work requires some hydration, doesn't it? Ooh, looks like they managed to crack open the top of the pumpkin. The plate is ready. And the top is officially open. Let's go. Oh, that looks disgusting. Oh my god, will he put his hand in? He's gonna do it. Oh, looks like the first touch has happened. Okay, he's going to use the spoon to scoop out the inside of the pumpkin. Ew, that looked gross. Looks like the inside is completely done and it's empty. Okay, now that is done, we're going to mark up the eyes and the mouth for our creepy friend. And the approach I'm going for is from this character. Let's get marking. Very strategic indeed. Uses a hammer for the knife. And the first eye is about to come out with the hammer. And boom, it came out. And now for the second eye. And both the eyes have successfully come out. And here they are. Okay, now for the marking of the mouth.
Wow!
And here are all the facial features that you need on the pumpkin. Okay, so this is how it looks after you add some facial features to it, like a mustache on it. that light. Boom. Wow, would you look at that beauty? And here's lights off. Wow, that's just amazing. Okay, so when you enter from here, the lights here, and this actually senses when a person is here, and it rings. And then the LEDs blink, and then it goes back to how it was. It keeps repeating the same process when somebody comes, it rings it. Okay, so after we set up everything, made it, and set it up accordingly, everything messed up because nobody even came trick-or-treating, mainly because of COVID reason, and I even set up 3 hidden cameras. But hey, everything can be fixed with this light show right in front of you.